Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, where we unwrap the secrets. Nobody tells you about those official company reports. Today, we're peeking behind the curtain of Americold Realty Trust Incorporated's latest filing. And let's just say they've got a little something for the investors. Alright everyone, buckle up. Americold Realty Trust Incorporated, a big player in the temperature-controlled warehouse world, is putting out some information today. It is not a full financial report with all the nitty-gritty details, but it is a snapshot of what they want investors to see right now. Think of it as a company update with a side of financial reassurance. And if you are into decoding these corporate moves and want more of this insider analysis, make sure you are subscribed. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below where we break down these filings in real time. So, what is the big news? Americold has posted a presentation for investors on their website. This is basically a summary of where they stand and where they're headed, all dressed up for meetings with the money folks. This presentation is like their highlight reel. They're showing off their performance and their plans. On top of that, they've put out a press release. This is really important. It is like them saying, hey, we're still on track with our financial goals for the entire year of 2025. They're not changing the numbers they told us back in November with their third quarter report. This signals a commitment to their previously stated financial targets, suggesting they are confident in their current trajectory and performance. Now, like most of these reports, they have to put in a lot of legalese about what they think might happen in the future. They call these forward-looking statements. Basically, they're saying, we hope this happens, but a lot of things could go wrong. They list out tons of potential risks. Everything from economic downturns and rising costs to supply chain problems and cyber attacks. It is a comprehensive laundry list of what keeps their executives up at night. They're just being upfront about the uncertainties in the business world. One key area of uncertainty they highlight is around their property developments. This means that while they aim to build or expand their warehouses and expect a certain return on that investment, that outcome is not guaranteed. They might not hit their financial targets for these projects, or they might take longer than planned, which could impact their overall profitability. They also flag issues with their technology systems. This covers everything from their internal computer systems and software updates to the growing threat of cyber attacks. A major breach or a poorly managed system upgrade could lead to significant disruptions and financial losses. This is a big concern for any company today. Competition is another big one. They openly admit that their rivals are getting better and pose a growing threat. This means they have to constantly innovate and adapt to stay ahead, which can be a drain on resources and requires strategic foresight. And for a company like Americold, which is a real estate investment trust or REIT, maintaining that special tax status is critical. If they fail to meet the REIT requirements, it could have huge negative financial consequences. This is a fundamental pillar of their business model. The really juicy bits, the presentation itself and the press release detail, are attached as exhibits. You can think of them as the official documents that back up what they're saying. This is the investor presentation. It is their curated message for the investors, likely focusing on positive performance metrics and future growth strategies designed to build confidence and support their stock price. And here is the press release. This is what they're putting out to the general public and the financial news outlets. It confirms their reaffirmation of the 2025 financial outlook provided in their November earnings report. And finally, the report is signed off by their Chief Financial Officer, E.J. Wells. This signature means the company is officially stating these details are accurate to the best of their knowledge. I think what Americold is doing here is smart. They're not releasing a full financial report today, so they can't be scrutinized on minute details. Instead, they're giving investors a progress update and reaffirming their guidance. This is a way to manage market expectations and signal stability, especially in uncertain economic times. They know investors are always watching and they want to project an image of control and continued profitability even while acknowledging the many risks they face. This filing, in essence, is a bullish signal without providing the deep dive data that could offer a different interpretation. They are essentially saying, trust us, we are on track, and here is a presentation to convince you. The key takeaway is that they are not changing their full year outlook, which investors will likely see as a positive sign of confidence in their operations and strategic execution. Alright, that is our quick decode of Americold's latest filing. What is your take on this sort of selective disclosure? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more corporate insights. And don't forget to join our Discord community for real-time analysis linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.